Here's how to fix Valorant FPS drops after an update. Step 1. Close Valorant and Riot Client completely. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager. Under Processes, locate Valorant, Riot Client, and Riot Client Services. Select each one and click End Task. This ensures no leftover processes are affecting performance. Step 2. Clear temporary files. Press Windows plus S, type Disk Cleanup, and open the app. Select your C drive, check Temporary Files, and click OK, then Delete Files. Removing temporary files can improve FPS by eliminating cached data that may slow your system. Step 3. Update Windows. Press Windows plus I, go to Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Install any pending updates and restart your PC if prompted. Windows updates can include performance optimizations and driver improvements that affect FPS. Step 4. Run Riot Client as administrator. Right-click Riot Client and select Run as Administrator. Sign in if prompted, then launch Valorant. Administrator permissions ensure Valorant and Vanguard can access system resources efficiently. Step 5. Restart your PC. After performing all steps above, restart your computer to apply changes fully. This helps eliminate lingering issues affecting FPS after an update. After following these steps, your Valorant FPS should stabilize and gameplay should run smoother after updates. Subscribe for more professional Valorant fixes and PC performance guides.